everyone. So have you heard a Singapore dish named Bak Kut Teh? So today's dinner, guys, I'm gonna show you the Singaporean dish called Bak Kut Teh. It's only Malaysia and Singapore serving Bak Kut Teh. So, and of course, only locals can make the best of the best Bak Kut Teh. So since we're still on circuit breaker, let's cook our own version of Singapore Bak Kut Teh. Yummers! Look at this Bak Kut Teh. The name Bak Kut Teh translates from the Hokkien dialect as the meat bounty. So these consist of meaty pork ribs simmered in a complex broth of spices like star anise, cinnamon, cloves, fennel seeds, and garlic, and lots of pepper. So I'm gonna show you guys how it cooked the easy peasy way.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Love when we take our time to make love. Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment.